Steps for using water transfer tattoo stickers. Want a safe, lasting, and removable temporary tattoo? Waterslide decal paper brings your designs to skin easily. Safety first. For external use only. Adult use recommended. Do a patch test first. Avoid eyes, lips, broken skin. Keep away from fire. Do not ingest. You'll need waterslide decal paper, a pocket inkjet printer, scissors, a clean towel, and water. Step 1. Print. Load the white tracing paper print side down. Select your design, enable mirror printing, then print. After printing, let it lie flat for at least 90 seconds to let the ink dry completely. Step 2. Transfer. Peel off the blue transfer film and apply it completely over the design, pressing firmly. Step 3. Cut out. Carefully cut along the outline. Leaving a small white border can improve the result. Step 4. Apply. Remove the transparent film and place the tattoo adhesive side down on clean, dry skin. Step 5. Wet. Thoroughly wet the white backing paper for 15 to 20 seconds. Step 6. Remove. Gently slide off the backing paper. The design is now on your skin. Step 7. Dry. Blot gently with a towel and let it air dry to set. Care and removal. Avoid intense water contact for first hour. To remove, gently wipe with baby oil, an alcohol pad, or clear tape. Waterslide decal paper. Safe, lasts 3 to 7 days, easy to remove. Start your creative skin journey today.